Before making our dichotomous key, we should draw out a branching tree diagram showing the characteristics of our specimens. There is an initial split to divide the specimens into two groups or populations. We then continue to divide the specimens using their characteristics until one specimen, shown in red, is located at the end of each branch. Now that we have identified where our branches divide, we can start to construct our dichotomous key. Throughout this process, we will use our characteristics from our branching tree diagram as a reference. We will be working with a lead style with couplets, two choices, A and B. As a note, there will always be one fewer step than there are specimens, so in this case there should be 9 steps once we are finished constructing our dichotomous key. Again, note that the name, shown in red, signifies that we have found the identity of our specimen. Now you can complete your own dichotomous key. Please check with your instructor once you are done. Remember to create both a branching tree diagram and a dichotomous key. Please finish this lab by answering all analysis, conclusion, and extension questions. Congratulations! Now you are an expert at classifying living things.